Good morning. My name is Farley Tolpen. I'm a mediator and I'm here to talk today about conflict and conflict resolution. To do that, I'm going to explain my background as a mediator, what is conflict and where it occurs, how to resolve conflict either informally or formally, and if formally, via mediation. I'll explain to you what mediation is and why mediation works. As stated, my name is Farley Tolpen and I'm an international mediator and lawyer with over 20 years experience, 3,000 matters, and 90% success rate. I'm also an international trainer and coach of mediators. And when I was in California, I had my own law and mediation practice for 25 years, and since I moved to Australia 6 years ago, I've been a full-time mediator. The reason I became a mediator was I was previously a litigator and was perpetuating conflict, and now I resolve conflict. The areas I mediate are workplace, commercial, family, real estate, construction, estates, and many other areas. The definition of conflict is a strong and protracted disagreement between individuals and/or parties regarding opinions, feelings, needs, desires, principles, or interests. Conflict can occur anywhere. Common places include the home, workplace, school, government, public places, and many other areas. The effects of conflict can lead to trauma, both physical and mental, anger, frustration, bullying, harassment, stress leave, depression, frustration, violence, debilitating illness, and death. So I want to talk about the ways to resolve conflict. There's really two ways. There's the informal way, where you do it in a calm and rational way between the parties, or if that doesn't work, you can do a formal way, which is mediation. And I want to define what mediation is. Mediation is a confidential process in which the parties who are assisted by the mediator come together in a fair and equitable process to explain their side, discuss the issues, look at options and alternatives, and work towards mutual agreement and resolution of any issues and conflict. Mediation is a confidential and private process where the parties are assisted by an independent third party who is a mediator to hear the other and their concerns and issues, discuss those concerns and issues, generate options and alternatives, and work together for mutual agreement and resolution of all issues and conflict. Now I want to talk to you why mediation works, and in my experience, why it's a wonderful tool to resolve conflict. First and foremost, 90% of all matters resolve with mediation. Mediation is an open and transparent process where the parties have an equal say in any concerns and issues they have, and it's done in a safe, civil, and respectful environment. Also, it's a lot less expensive than litigation, and at most will take 1 or 2 days, where litigation could take 2 or 3 weeks. Furthermore, you can beat a mediation in a month or 2 instead of court, which takes 2 to 4 years. Mediations are also private and confidential. What's said there stays there. It can't be used anywhere, particularly like a court of law. It also allows the parties the opportunity to be creative and look at options and alternatives and craft a solution that both of them can work on. It's a process that allows the parties mutual resolution of all issues and the conflict. Thank you, and I hope you see that mediation works in resolving conflict. If the mediation experts can ever help you with conflict, feel free to contact us.